Hello, I am Ehtishamul Haq. Today I am going to discuss a demo for recording lectures. Why there is a need for such kind of a demo? Because many faculty members don't have experience in recording lectures or when they are giving online lectures. So first of all, for faculty member it is recommended to install a software that can record screen, your voice and what you want to share with your students when you are playing on your screen. I am using Presenter One software. Why it is important to have a demo for recording lectures? Let's take an example of a movie. So when we are watching movie, the director knows what I have to display on the screen. So what's on camera, that is only displaying on screen, but what's going on behind, nobody knows. So similarly, if a faculty member put a lot of stuff on a slide and it by going to next slide and the complete slide is showing to the students, so student may be getting confused. So I think this demo will be helpful there in a way that how faculty member want to deliver their lecture for the online students or offline classes, and when your video will be downloaded by students. So when you are talking and during your talk, what part of your screen you want to share with your students. If you look into here, I have three slides, and when I'm clicking, slides are changing, but when I click on a slide, so the complete slide is coming out once. So how we can get help from PPT to show students a screen that we want to show to them. So we can take help from the animations. Now when I click on second slide, on title I write it down demo. Here I write it down here subtopic, its explanation, and you see a graph. Now if I click on third one, maybe if you are not looking on the left side of the screen, you think it's the same, and of course it is the same slide. But when we add animation to the slides, so only that part will be showing to the students when you put animation that you want to show. So let's try animations. So select the part that you want to show first. So select and then select animations from the bar. Now you see there is no animation. For example, I select fly N. Now you see one has been marked, so it means one animation has been added to this slide. Similarly, when you select second part of your slide, then you can select second animation, and when you are going to show full screen to your students, so first when you reach to this third slide from second, so only demo will be there and graph will be there, but these two writings or sentences will come only when you click for the first time. So here subtopic will appear, After that, when you click for the second time, its explanation will be showing to the students. Now if we want that our graph or diagram also comes in parts to students on screen, so I selected vertical axis and its denomination. So for selecting two parts of a graph, first when I click on vertical axis, I hold control and then I click on Y to select these two, and from animation, so this is the third animation. Similarly for fourth one. Now when you say like we have a graph or diagram, on here we are measuring something and on here we are measuring something, so this path will not be shown unless and until you want to. So how to do that? For example, first you want to talk about the linear curve, so select and apply animation. After that, if you want to talk about this curve, select and apply animation. So now if you go to preview, you see it's coming in a sequence. Now if I press F5, this is the first slide. When I click, I am going to the second slide. When I click, so I move on to third slide, but nothing is shown unless and until I click. So the first click, that first animation will come, on second the second one, similarly third, and you can talk. After you finish explaining about y-axis, you click and then you can talk about x-axis. Similarly, you can explain about the linear curve. For example, it is showing negative relationship. If there is increase in x, so it is going to decrease y and vice versa. That's why it is negative, and you can talk how much you want to talk. And when I click for the last time, so this curve will appear and you can talk. So I hope this demo will be really helpful to my colleagues and faculty member or over the world who are beginners in recording their lecture. Thank you very much, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.